Alright guys, today we are doing the ultimate speaker comparison between the iPhone Air with its lonely single earpiece speaker and the big boy iPhone 17 Pro Max with its earpiece speaker and bottom firing speaker. Believe it or not, the iPhone Air is actually the first iPhone to not ship with stereo speakers since the iPhone 7 when it was introduced back in 2016. These cutouts on the bottom here, you would think it's for a speaker, but it's actually just for a microphone. Your only speaker on this device is hidden right up here in this thin little cutout for the earpiece. So we're going to compare the two, the iPhone Air and the 17 Pro Max. We're going to have the volume up all the way. We're going to play about 30 seconds of 5 identical tracks on each device back to back. And we're going to see how big of a sound difference there is between the iPhone Air with its single speaker and the Big Boy Pro Max with its dual speakers. The audio you're about to hear from this speaker test is coming directly from the microphone of this iPhone 16 Pro Max recording the video. So as you guys can see, I have a nice folder here with 5 different tracks. Well, I should say 5 identical tracks. Alright, so here we have our folder pulled up with the 5 identical tracks on both devices. We're going to make sure that our volume is all the way up on both. And as you see, the volume is up on both. Now, let's begin with the first track on the iPhone Air. Alright, let's play the same song on the 17 Pro Max. Wow. I don't know if that difference came through on video for you guys, but oh my god, what a difference between the Air and the 17 Pro Max. The Air, it sounds decent, right? But then you hear the 17 Pro Max, and you hear every single thing that the Air is missing in terms of the sounds that actually come through and the frequencies you're able to hear. Like the 17 Pro Max actually has like a bit of punchy bass to it, right? The Air just does not. It sounds like, to me, honestly, it sounds like, you know, maybe iPhone 6S speaker. Maybe definitely louder than a 6S, but it has that 6S kind of sound signature to it. But definitely louder and definitely a little bit more bass, but not much better. But anyway, let's move to the second track on the iPhone Air. Alright, now let's go to the second track on iPhone 17 Pro Max. Oh my god. Wow. Much louder, much more bass, much wider of a soundstage on the 17 Pro Max. I mean, yeah, like I said before, same thing again. The Air sounds good until you start playing it on the 17 Pro Max. There's just no comparison. But next song on the iPhone Air, let's go. I'm gonna say this one sounds the worst out of everyone so far. Definitely to me sounds the worst out of everyone so far. It sounded quite distorted. And every time the bass would come in, it would just kind of like get crunchy, and I didn't really like the way that sounded. But let's listen to the same song again on the 17 Pro Max. Wow. Same story again, man. This 17 Pro Max just has an incredibly loud and punchy and crystal clear sound to it. Next up on the iPhone Air, let's go. We got one more after this, guys. Already noticing a little bit of distortion. Sounds like you're knocking on like a piece of wood. The same track on the 17 Pro Max. Oh yeah. It's actually got some life to it, some like breathing room a little bit. Woo! Oh baby. A final song on the iPhone Air. Let's go. This one seems a bit louder. Alright, now let's play that same song on the 17 Pro Max. Oh, wow. Same story. It's just got more breathing room and more like, oh, it's got an actual atmosphere to it. Wow. Alright, and that's where we're going to leave it, folks. Now, what I will say is, despite the iPhone Air only having one speaker, if you don't have a Pro Max or any other iPhone next to you that has stereo speakers to compare it with this phone, direct side by side, the iPhone Air speaker will probably sound great to you. But when you have a 17 Pro Max right next to the iPhone Air and you're comparing it side by side like we are today, oh man, the iPhone Air does not even come close to holding a candle to the 17 Pro Max or any iPhone after stereo speakers was introduced. Because man, having that bottom loudspeaker with the earpiece speaker working together, what a huge difference. Now that being said, is the iPhone Air not having stereo speakers a reason not to buy the phone? No. I mean, most people these days connect the AirPods or they connect the phone to the car system anyway. So if you have to lose out on a little bit of sound quality to have a device this thin, I think it's worth the trade-off, honestly. But yeah, guys, let me know what you thought of the speaker test down below. We compared the iPhone Air to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let me know what you guys thought of the Air sound quality down below. Let me know what you guys thought of the 17 Pro Max sound quality down below. Before I head out of here, I just also want to mention that I do have an Amazon storefront linked down below in the description, as well as the equipment used to make this video. So if you guys want to support the channel, I have a bunch of stuff listed on my Amazon storefront that you guys would really enjoy. MagSafe accessories, phone chargers, phone cases, phone screen protectors, anything you would need for any of your Apple devices can be found on my Amazon storefront. And like I said before, you can also find each product used to make this video down in the description as well. So if you enjoyed the video and you found value in this content, please feel free to check out my Amazon storefront and purchase something. It won't cost you anything extra, but I will earn a small commission, and your support will help me keep uploading these kind of videos for you guys. With that being said, I'll see you guys later.